hello you all. I'm Diana Brienne. Learn to take breaks in your day. So often people wear themselves out and they don't take a break. They don't give themselves a rest. And it gives them no time to assimilate all the information that they've gathered during that day. It's often in our rest moments that we put everything together, that our thoughts come together. When we're so busy gathering information, our brains don't seem to have enough time to digest it all. So we have to take a break. And it's in that slow time, that easy time, that relaxed time, maybe when we're thinking about something totally different, that our answers and our solutions will come. Often we will think about something that we saw that we didn't really realize at the moment that can lead to the right answer for our lives. So make sure to give yourself breaks and time to rest during the day. From my house to yours. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.